In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to factory reset your Redmi Watch 4. So let's say you want to give it away or to sell it. You can factory reset so that all your data is removed from the watch. So what you want to do is go to settings, the easiest way being swiping up and tapping on the settings icon. And then you want to scroll all the way to the bottom until you see system. Tap on that, and under system you should see the option to reset when you scroll. Okay, so you have to scroll to the bottom until you see reset. It's gonna warn you that this will erase all your data. If you want to continue, just tap on the check mark, feel a vibration, and the watch is gonna reset. So the screen will go off, and then you'll see the Mi logo, and it's gonna take you back to the original setup screen. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.